Okay, I just want to say that my smoke alarm is broken, so you might hear them go off, but I can't do anything about it. It's broken.
If I shoot them right there, then I'm gonna have to run back, but the gunshots are gonna be heard in the sheriff's office. These people, that guy right there, and right there, those two guys gonna see it. This guy knows I'm on the roof with a sniper. Need to find a target. Where do we flee to? This bitch right there, I can go and kill her. Silently with a knife. She's glitching, so this is already off to a bad start. How would I do this? It's pretty difficult. Go in here. Oh yeah, you're dead. My gosh. Good outfit swap.